Honey with turmeric is the most powerful antibiotic in the world, even doctors can't explain it. While it is true, turmeric is an extremely popular spice with powerful medicinal and culinary properties. It has been commonly used in Chinese and Indian medicine for centuries. Honey with turmeric, the most powerful antibiotic in the world that even doctors have not been able to explain. This spice with a characteristic flavor and color has been used in the treatment of respiratory problems, liver diseases, skin conditions, cuts, wounds, sprains in the muscles and gastric problems. Numerous studies have shown that turmeric is extremely useful in the case of infections, digestion problems, inflammation, and even cancer, also as a powerful antibiotic. Its active ingredient, curcumin, is responsible for most of its health benefits, as it provides antioxidants, treats microbes, relieves inflammation, and many others. Due to its ability to destroy microbes, turmeric treats gastritis, digestive tract problems, peptic and gastric ulcers and Helicobacter pylori. Researchers have discovered that curcumin has a positive effect on the molecules of inflammation, cell survival, and ddNA. It positively affects the membranes in human cells. Positively alters 700 genes and 160 physiological problems. Due to the powerful anti-inflammatory properties, curcumin also relieves the pain of osteoarthritis. To relieve this pain and improve mobility, take 200 mg of turmeric daily. Experts also reveal that this spice treats heart and lung problems, liver problems, metabolic problems, neurological problems, inflammatory problems, and autoimmune disorders, as well as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. In addition, a recent study in animals has found that turmeric contains turmerone, a bioactive element that increases brain function, repairs brain cells and, therefore, treats Alzheimer's disease. In addition, its healthy properties inhibit beta-amyloid, which created plaque and therefore interferes with this disease. Studies also indicate that curcumin, due to its strong antioxidant, anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties, effectively treats all types of cancer, including cancers of the lung, colon, liver, breast, intestine, and stomach. According to Dr. William LaValle, famous natural doctor, this ingredient affects cancer cells due to the roots of molecules when it enters the cells, destroying cancer cells and leaving healthy cells intact, which is not the case with chemotherapy. In addition, turmeric mixed with raw honey provides, even more, health benefits. This combination helps digestion, fights bacteria and viruses and increases the amount of good bacteria in the intestines. The following recipe brings together all these health benefits of these natural ingredients and represents the best natural antibiotic. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of organic turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of honey. For enhanced absorption of curcumin, add half a spoon of black pepper. Instructions: in a bowl, just mix the ingredients well and store it in a cool environment. Use: if you have a cold or flu, take half a spoonful of this remedy 3 times a day, and when you have been cured of your flu, then reduce it to just once every day. You must melt the mixture in your mouth and do not swallow it immediately. You can also drink it in your cup of tea or milk. Last but not least, make sure that you share this very useful information with your friends and family. You may help someone in need. Thank you and have a nice day.